friends. Welcome to my channel, Smash Thought. In this video, I am going to show you how to use free VPN without installation any VPN software. Let's start it. Go to Start menu and open Google Chrome browser. In the new tab, type Browse free VPN for Google Chrome. Click first link which has appeared on the top of the list. Click Add to Chrome button. First, let me show you something. I am typing my IP lookup to show you which country I have connected right now. Let's have a look. It is showing Karachi, Pakistan. Let me add the extension. It will download and add automatically. It's installed now. First, I will pin it to the bar menu. It is installed. Just click over the country name. You can see there are a lot of countries available. Last 3 countries are on the premium version. If you buy this extension, you can access it, but we have some other countries which is free to use. Scroll up. Let me try to connect United States. Click on it. Now let me refresh my IP lookup and see which country is connected now. Look, the city name is Washington and the country is United States. Let me turn off the VPN and try again. Now it's back to the Pakistan region. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.